Welcome to another episode of Tutorial Tuesday. In today's episode, we'll be making gingerbread houses. You're going to need graham crackers, some frosting. We're going to use store-bought, but I'm also going to show you how to make some confectionery sugar, some Ziploc bags, as well as something to decorate your gingerbread house with. To make your own frosting, you're going to need confectioner sugar and water. For this amount, I used about 2 to 3 tablespoons of confectioner sugar and just a splash of water, and I mixed until I got the consistency that resembles paste. For our next part of our gingerbread house, you're going to need some graham crackers and a piping bag. I made a piping bag out of Ziploc bags and a piping tip. If you don't have any piping tips, that's okay. You can just cut a small corner off of your Ziploc bag and that acts as your piping kit. So, to start, I'm going to pipe a small line of frosting on the side of my graham cracker. And this is going to be the structure of our gingerbread house. I didn't have full-size graham crackers, so you may choose to use full-size, and you can cut them down to meet the size requirements that you would like your gingerbread house to be. But this is what the structure of the gingerbread house looks like once you have it all glued together. I'm going to lay it on its side, and this is going to be the foundation of our roof. And I'm going to glue the roof on, or the foundation, right at the center, and then we can start laying our roof on and building back. Here's the roof once I've glued it on. As you can see, because I was using smaller graham crackers, I had to add more graham crackers on the side here to fill the space. Again, if you're using the full rectangular graham crackers, you can cut to fit the need of your house. Now is everyone's favorite part of making a gingerbread house, decorations. And you can decorate it however you'd like. For us, I went ahead and I put a little lake out here with some Swedish fish. I'm gonna add a little life preserver there as well, since we have our own little lake, safety first. But you can decorate it however you'd like. You can add stuff to the roof, you can add a door using gumdrops. We use doilies as our snow with powdered coconut flakes as well. Thank you for tuning in for another Tutorial Tuesday. See you next time.